What is up, guys? Look, welcome back to the channel. Hope all of y'all are having a Merry Christmas. Celebrating with ones you love. Throwing it back to a couple of weeks ago, got the opportunity to take some guys you may have heard of. The guys from Seek One, Lee and Kendall, on their first duck hunt. Brought along an old friend, a crazy uncle, if you will, for the trip. And hope you guys enjoy this. May have seen the edit out on Realtree's version of it, but kind of put together my version of it. But anyway, wishing you guys a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and we'll get back rolling after that. Thank y'all so much for the support so far. Hope y'all enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, all those good things. And we'll see y'all in 2023. All right. Well, the crew I got, you've seen them kill 200-inch deer everywhere they go.
They just poured yesterday before I leave somebody, right?
Yes, that's right.
But apparently they ain't ever been duck hunting. So we're going to have some fun. This is going to be good. They're trying to set up out here in the parking lot of the camp. Apparently that's what they're used to hunting. But we're going to go get out there in the pit blind. And we're going to get under the ground, throw out some decoys, and we're going to see if we can't whack. Y'all got, so y'all never killed a duck?
Oh yeah, no.
I gotta admit, I have killed a couple wood ducks, but that was just shooting them out of the pond.
Yeah,
That's right.
Those shouldn't be in any danger here.
Never killed a mallard though.
Well, we probably, I don't know what in the world. I ain't never laid foot on this property either, so it's all new. But I'm guessing it's going to be a lot of green-winged teal, because I know what's around North Louisiana right
Those
now.
fast?
So they're a little sporty.
Okay.
They're a little sporty.
We'll start with those.
But I tell you what, I make a deal. You let me shoot first,
That's
and then once I shoot, they're all going to go straight up. And when they go straight up, just start picking them off. It's the easiest shot there ever was. But I'll shoot the first wad when they're down there low with some number 6s, and we'll just see what comes out of it. But no, I'm ready. We'll teach you all about decoy placement.
Yeah,
fetching, retrieving.
Yeah, cleaning up a bunch of decoys.
Did we retrieve him?
It depends. If he's dead in the decoys, I'll go get him. But if you cripple him, that's on you. Aim for the head. Aim small, miss small. Okay. Okay. We got power. Yeah. Okay. Let it rip.
Hammer down.
Had a little parking brake issue.
Hold it.
I'm gonna say that's north. Yeah.
So we'll put, they land into the wind, so we'll put the decoy a little on this side. And we're going to put the teal right in front of the blind, the teal decoy.
So just throw the mallards out there right now.
Mallards and pintails, yeah.
What's the line? I'm ready. I almost
good.
just fell over backwards.
Yeah, it happens out here in this mess. Yeah, I'll be back. Oh, it's gotta be.
Those mallards?
Yeah.
That's mallards.
Am I allowed to shoot right now?
Yeah, if they
Huh?
yeah, come back.
Yeah.
All right, if they come back, I'm gonna shoot.
Man, I'm gonna go deaf today, I can tell you that much.
Yeah, my ears are ringing.
Heel. Come here, heel. Heel. Heel.
I'll understand. Like the 10 and 2 model.
Yeah.
Like right here's your lane. Okay, good.
You don't think I won't shoot at that sucker right now? Under his chin?
Yeah, that way you can skip.
What you talking about? What you talking about? That's my kind of hunting right there.
Yeah.
They'll reach out and touch something.
Get ready. Kill him.
We got one.
We got two.
Oh, we did get, yeah, we did get two. Yeah, let's go.
We can kill ducks.
I'm not gonna lie, that was real hard to not shoot a few of those times.
Woo.
Oh, you gotta get snotty, son. Get them on in here.
Those are teal. Green wing teal. So you shoot them coming at you, not going away.
You'll notice we had a little bit higher percentage of kill coming at us versus going that way. So I recommend it, but you can do what you want to. It's your hunt. But when you run out of bullets, I ain't giving you none.
I'm already about a half box down.
Come on, Teal.
Try that one?
Yeah, he's coming at you. Big goose guy. Oh! Oh! Oh my!
That about 80-yard range. That's my sweet spot.
That's the sweet spot.
Yeah.
Is that up one too?
Oh,
That's
look
a
at
snow
that.
goose?
No, that's a speckled belly.
That's speckled belly. Everyone wants a wall.
That's a new brand of goose?
Look at that.
That is really pretty.
Look at what that rage went through.
That's right in that double long area right
I don't know
there.
what broadhead y'all shoot.
Tell me when. You tell me when.
Come on, let's try it.
All right.
Oh,
Dinkus, you better go, son.
What you talking about?
Shooting 243s down here.
These are some whammy shells here, whatever they are.
Good boy.
Reach out and touch.
And these are good to eat.
Oh yeah, fantastic.
All right.
I'll say this.
Keep it up.
Don't down, I'll send it over your head.
That wasn't him.
He's a little late on that one. That's why I said get him while he's coming at you.
Yeah. Messed up the angle on that. He's a little quartered too.
Come here. Hey. Get on him.
We're getting a little spot and stalk. I'm gonna take this ditch, keep the wind in my face, pop shoot this here goose.
Killed that sucker.
Is that a standard for y'all's duck hunts? Little spot stalk?
That's more snow jump.
Oh gosh. Hey.
There you go.
Man, that looks pretty cool. That sucks.
Welcome to duck hunting.
I could probably just wash it off, right?
Good as new.
Good as new.
We've got now seasoned goose killers. They went from deer killers to goose killers real quick. One of them got some chartreuse coming out of his rear end there. I don't know what that's about.
They're rutting.
Is it?
They're rutting.
Oh, that's what that is. He's probably making a scrape. The prize, boys. There you go. Look at the meat. We ain't gonna go hungry. We got them as big as they grow and as little as they grow. Flip them speckle bellies over though. They're pretty.
Yeah,
Now,
they
them
are.
things is good. Here's the eaters we got. Here's what I'm taking home with me. Them four right there. Lee, you're welcome to these.
I'm a goose guy. I'll take him.
Big goose guy. It's been fun. I've enjoyed it. I'm sitting here laughing. Are you kidding me? So Lee, he texted me last night and said what duck call he needed to buy. I said, don't worry, man, I got you. So I gave him 2 duck calls. But we know from yesterday, the big snow goose guy. So I got him his very own snow goose call. Now the thing is, we make these. I ain't got no idea how to blow it. So maybe he can learn. But I think it's something about like, yeah, perfect. Look at there. That's good. But we'll reward him. Those shots yesterday, he earned a few free calls. You finally wake up?
Oh, we've been.
Well, I was running while all that I go jump.
You may have to get in the middle, so I think we're gonna ride pretty. We gotta be quiet in there. That way they don't hear us or smell us.
So, you gonna be our good luck charm this morning?
Hopefully I am.
Well, we're gonna lay down some more geese this morning. I think, hoping that a couple of ducks come in as well. But it's way colder this morning. Definitely windy. I don't think any of us are gonna be too hot this morning unless that heater blows us out.
Well, we had a big front blow through last night. We left our decoy spread out, but of maybe the 150 of them we had out here, there's like maybe 30 of them left. And we're kind of walking the bank right now, just grabbing them and chucking them back out there.
Kill him, kill him, kill him. There you go. There you go.
Hey, first goose on the board, boys.
Okay, he's a
We can
goose
go
guy.
home.
2
I'm
ducks and a
good.
goose.
I'm good. We got our goose. Let's go.
No! Gosh, kill one! Yeah, coming. Alright, we're going to have a talk now. We'll call it a shot. It ain't the Wild West.
I held off.
That was my bad.
I know, that's fine.
We all get one.
That's fine. Everybody good. But we're going to call it from now on. 30 teal. It's a freaking decoy. Not blowing up. Alright, I'm done. I'm sitting down. You still win?
Hey, I had my moment
You won, or you
yesterday.
need to keep. Okay. There's your speckle belly. Kill him. I didn't.
You want me to go or stay?
Yeah, go.
Take the gun?
Yeah, absolutely. And shell.
I got it.
That's what that tungsten good for. Them right there. You saw that sucker crumple? Oh, yeah. Look at Lee. Boy, we got the right dog with us today, son. You all right?
Good boy.
Nice.
Big goose guy.
Good big goose guy.
Big goose guy.
Never leave a goose behind.
Hey, well, here comes you another one. Let him go.
All right.
Now. I think he's dead, but we still need to get him.
I ain't taking the gun.
Lee, Johnny said he's here for you.
Yeah.
No. So Lee, and there are more geese coming, but our dog is getting slow. We're going to have to feed him. Lee texted me yesterday wanting to buy a duck call. Boy, that really did get mud on. Because he enjoyed duck hunting. So, and I said, don't worry about it. I got you. I know a guy. So I got him 2 duck calls. But since he was so rough on them snow geese, we also make a snow goose call. So I'm going to give him to him when he gets back because he's been a good boy this morning. I mean, he's done everything right. He hadn't broke. He hadn't shot early. He did that yesterday. He's a quick study. He's coachable. I'll give Lee that. But right now, he's on the loneliest walk in the planet. No gun, got his bird, and we don't look like we're getting any closer to him right now. He's just seeing them little dots. Because you're happy you got the goose, but you mad. You mad, ain't you?
Big goose guy.
Big.
Big goose guy.
Here comes you another one.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. But I give them to you when you was out of breath. That way you wouldn't want to blow on them.
Oh, you don't know me.
Hey, I'm serious. Here you
Oh,
go.
another one.
I got him. Johnny, I got that one on the water. Shoot him on the water. Shoot him in the back of the head. Shoot him again. You shot over.
One more time.
There you
Yeah,
go.
baby.
There you
Come
go.
on.
Yeah, baby.
He might chase him.
Be back in a minute.
Look at you, old man.
There you go.
You still got it, son.
Nice.
You still got it, old man. Look at you. Look at you.
Laying them down.
Golly. That's worth coming right there. Oh, Lee. Man, that boy. He's full of piss and vinegar, son.
I think he enjoys getting him
Yeah.
more than shooting.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, he fired up now. Look at him. Oh, that's a bad deal. Yeah, you come on. I'm sorry, that was just a duck.
retired goose guy now. 3 times.
Reformed.
Reformed?
Yeah, reformed. We all go through it. You broke it pretty quick. It took me about 5 years to get off of it.
Oh my gosh.
But it, yeah.
Every time I sit down, here comes another goose.
You trying to stand up, make sure we don't see nothing.
It's not timed.
Hey, there they are, right there.
Oh my gosh. Which one's the goose call?
The white one. I got you a
Which
snow
end do you
goose
blow
call
in?
because you said you was a snow goose guy.
He dropped it in the mud.
Well, y'all made me lay in the mud.
Try it, and hey, if it don't work, switch in.
That's what Si used to tell his girlfriend.
Try on there, boy.
If that end don't work, try the other one.
You got it in the wrong hole, fool.
I think this is a lot better action than besides the secret tool over here, and he's clearly a good shot because he laid one down. We've got a good dog, Lee.
We got a
The
great
Lee
dog.
the retriever.
Great dog. You ready to go get you another one, Lee?
Yeah.
I got a bottle of water down here.
No way.
That sucker done come in here and lit. What y'all doing down there?
I'm so glad we missed those geese.
I'm mad y'all didn't kill that shoveler.
Never been happier in my life.
A duck got up from 10 yards.
I saw that one. We all missed him.
I was out of shells.
If they get down there on that end like that, where he was real close to you at one point, just raise up and kill it. Don't wait on me. If you're uncomfortable with that, I'll get down there. I ain't even kidding. There you go.
Hit him again?
Yeah, keep going.
Right to us.
Called him in.
Called him in the whole way.
First call in and kill.
Called him in, killed him, and retrieved him.
That's gotta be a secret.
Back on it, just like that.
We having fun.
In the
now.
face.
That's a breath of fresh wind right there.
We having fun now.
Tell us a little bit about your technique on calling that one in.
It's instinctual. It can't be taught.
He killed him.
He killed him, son.
That's all there is to it. It's just instinctual.
look.
Either you got it or you
You
don't.
call him, you can maul him. That's the way I look at it.
Oh, ducks.
3 gads. If it's bad, I promise I can blow louder. So, ain't no big deal.
Here they come. Here they come.
Ooh, they're low.
Oh, I thought we was gonna get them in here. Kill him.
Yes, sir. We did.
That's what I'm
boys.
talking about.
Watch your ears.
What are these?
Gad walls.
Really?
Yep. Good shooting, boy.
Yes,
We
sir.
killed 5 out of 6. I think it was 6 of them.
Now we talking.
Kill that.
I'm pretty shot at that one.
Yeah.
Land on land, baby.
Oh, I just.
Apparently the safest place for a duck to be here is in a decoy.
That's right.
Because the 2 that have done it have made it out.
That's right. They got away.
But you go out there about 70, you in trouble. You up there about 10, oh, you fine. Ooh, that's little.
Well, it wasn't because I didn't get in a good old college trap.
I guarantee you, son.
Yeah, probably won't do that again.
No bird, Lee. chasing.
Might actually get
Nope. I hope you brought a whole pocket full. There we go. No.
It's crazy how much that wind.
There it is.
Well, dang.
Wait, nope.
Just dodging it.
I think he shot 6
I
times.
know. This is definitely a memorable day for me.
Way more eventful than day one, although day one was a blast. I have a new appreciation for dogs. I really do.
I can't wait to put the montage of you.
I should have just put a duck in my dang mouth at one point and just.
Really gets them lungs expanded. Pepper,
Took a shot or two.
apply pressure. I knew I wasn't gonna hit her when I shoot. Ground swap. We'll let them get on the water. We'll all aim at it in 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! I've done that before, huh?
All right, boys. I think I shot my wad there.
I'm no professional duck hunter, but we got a goose killer now. So next time we go, it's on him. He's the caller.
Goose professional and the goose legend in the making.
So I brought the good luck.
That's my highlight of the day.
Yeah.
I know y'all probably hear this a lot, but I appreciate what y'all stand for. And us coming up with the deer videos and what we're doing, like we try to keep the main thing the main thing.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
we picked up a lot of that from you guys. And it's a tough thing to put out there because there's a lot of opinions these days, but I look up to you guys in a huge way.
Well,
for
we've always
what y'all
treated
stand
it
for.
this way. Dance with the one that brought you.
Yeah.
And without the good Lord, we wouldn't be here.
That's
Wouldn't
right.
be here on a Tuesday morning shooting ducks till
Agree with you 100%.
10 o'clock and not even worried about going to work.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I'll be fine. You know, so it's fun. Hey, I can appreciate what you boys are doing. Look, we got a new goose guy. The world needed another goose hunter. There ain't enough of them.
There was a void. And
You
I
done
feel
called
like
2 in.
Hey,
I
2.
feel like I found my
not
calling.
only did he call him, then he raised up and killed him.
I mean, dead.
Dead in a hammer.
And you make a fine dog. I mean,
He's got it all.
Hey,
it's a total package.
Y'all
You know?
are making me blush.
I may get you to sign my call after that morning. Golly. But that was fun, man.
Yeah, that was a blast. I mean,
That was a good time.
I'll remember that forever. That was a really good time.
No
Yeah.
doubt.
The best part is you can't go again till in the morning. So we're done with the day. We'll go again in the morning.
I knew Si could kill some ducks and some geese and some teeth, but I didn't know he could kill some decoys. So
I hope I can still do that at 74.
no joke.
I hope these pellets stay in there too. There's like 4 or 5 good pellets in there.
The funny thing is, that's the
that's why you
same.
guys got a good part.